it is time for another beach adventure with Chris from Mallorca, Spain. It is 22nd of April 2025 and it's 1:50 p.m. and I'm already on my second beach adventure for today. And I have walked today again to Port Vell, which is approximately 1.5 kilometers from my hotel, from Sunbeam Calabona. And it's a very nice, secluded beach on the east coast of Mallorca. And it looks so amazing on a day like this. As there is no beautiful beach next to my hotel, so I'm forced to walk a bit, but I'm no stranger to walking and I like walking around and exploring as well. Now I have a better beach 3 kilometers from my hotel on the other direction, Cala Milor, where I'm gonna go later in the afternoon. So yeah, this looks so amazing and nice, and yeah, greetings from Spain before I head into the Mediterranean Sea for a swim. I have been here yesterday and it's quite not so wide beach in itself, but it's quite scenic. And yeah, we have now 21 degrees Celsius in the air currently, and I have measured earlier in the water, it's 20 degrees Celsius, despite the satellite measurement saying 16.4 in Palma. So the water is a lot warmer right here. So let's then go in for a quick dip here. What else? Yeah, it's super nice indeed. And on this Tuesday, 22nd of April, now the Easter festivities are done, and I think it's going to be very calm on the beaches in the upcoming days, as it is not a season yet here in Mallorca, so it is not so crowded, which I really love about going to the Mediterranean. I almost never go during the high season because it is too crowded, it is too hot, it is too expensive. So if you want the opposite of those three things that I just said, so go in low season, either in April, early May, or also end of September, October, November. Even December is nice. I have been swimming for Christmas in Barcelona many years ago, and also I was in December 2 years ago in Malaga, and it was basically nobody on the beaches, and it was almost like 20 degrees Celsius in the air. So yeah, now with this wonderful view, it's time to go in for a swim here. So we have a sandy entrance to begin with, and the water is super clean and super nice indeed. But after that, it begins with some rocks, which is a bit common here for the coast over here, but still it is very decent, I would say. The water quality is so nice. All right, then ready, set, go. So nice. Very nice indeed. It is very shallow also, so, but the water is so clean and nice, and the look to the beach is also amazing. So yeah, another beach adventure from the east coast of Mallorca in April 2025. So today is day 4. I have 11 more days vacation, and there will be definitely a lot more beach adventures. So yeah, so nice and refreshing to enjoy for sure. Beautiful. Yeah, it definitely feels like 20 degrees in the water. It's warm. It's warm, and it's not that hot. The outdoor temperature of 21 degrees as well. Cool. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Port Vale, this unknown beach to Google Maps, but known to me. And see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures.